Guys, Wednesday wisdom. Empty barrels make the most noise, didn't you know? Those who have no goals, no dreams, no ambitions, no sense of direction, no sense of purpose, are not guided by anything, are always going to be the ones who have the loudest opinions, the loudest remarks, be comment on what you should and shouldn't be doing. Guys, those are not the types of people that you should be taking advice from. If anything, you can learn a lot from their lives about the things that you shouldn't be doing, how you shouldn't be living your life. Because, empty barrels will always have a lot to say to those who are trying to do something with their life, to those who are trying to accomplish things. So guys, when an empty barrel person comes to you and says anything to you, take it with a pinch of salt. Don't listen to the guidance or advice that they give. As a matter of fact, as I said, learn from the things that they haven't done so that you can go forward in your life and do the things that you need to do. Because empty barrels will be just that, empty barrels, and they ain't going nowhere.